It will soon be that time of year again when loan limits change. Every year at the end of the year, home loan limits generally change. Now why? Typically, these limits are often adjusted annually to reflect changes in home prices. I'm so excited to announce in anticipation of that change, Cornerstone is raising our conventional conforming loan limit early from the current loan limit of $766,550 to $802,650. So that gives you a roughly $36,000 increase on what we will call a conventional conforming loan limit. Now, these are loan limits that apply to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac conventional home loans. What does this mean for you? Conventional conforming loan limits are the point at which, once you exceed that loan limit, whatever it is, whatever year it is in, your loan would become a jumbo home loan. And when you get into the jumbo home loan underwriting guidelines and down payment requirements and interest rates and all that goes on in the jumbo home loan space, it's different. It's completely different than on a conventional conforming loan. So as a reminder, conventional conforming loans are backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. They have as low as a 3% down payment offering on those programs. They have particular debt to income ratios, they have underwriting guidelines, and they allow for a wider breadth or broad reach for bringing home ownership to those in our country. Now, when we get into that jumbo home loan space, and this is why this loan limit's important, while it doesn't feel like a lot, it's roughly $36,000. Now, FHFA will announce later this year what the actual loan limit increase is, but lenders across the country are hedging based on the information and the data that we're getting from FHFA that there will be an increase. And this is why Cornerstone has rolled out an increase to $802,650. But once the FHFA actually announces, which they'll usually do around November, December of every year, what the true conforming loan limit will be for 2025, we'll report back. But for now, the great news is from today through that announcement, you're going to be able to leverage that higher loan limit for conforming conventional loans. So the big difference, again, with this loan limit is when you go over the conventional conforming loan limit, the loan becomes a jumbo home loan. And everything changes from the underwriting strategy, the loan approval availability, interest rate, terms, cost. It's all different when we look at conventional and jumbo home loans. So this conforming loan limit's important because Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, for the most part, allow lenders across the country to use automated underwriting systems. Many times the debt to income ratio can be higher on that type of conventional conforming loan when compared to a jumbo home loan. And the documentation requirements can be less on conventional conforming home loans when compared to a jumbo home loan. Now, if you're thinking about refinancing and you currently are in a jumbo loan that exceeded whatever that loan limit was for the conforming conventional loan when you took out your jumbo loan, you may be able to refinance into now what we'll call a conforming conventional loan based on this new loan limit. So there's a lot of reach here, and I think it's just really one of those things to know that wherever you are, but if you're close, kind of in that home loan range of high 700s to low 800s, this could be impactful to you. So reach out and let's talk through it. Is there an impact to you? What's the value of this to you? And how can you strategize to leverage the increase in the conventional conforming home loan limit? If this is something you think you might want to take advantage of this year, instead of having to wait until next year, give us a call. We can put together a financing scenario for you so you can see the numbers and see if it makes sense for you. Call us at 480-725-0150 or check out our scheduling link below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel for more home buyer education to empower you to make informed buying decisions.